In this video, we're going to use Paintless Dent Repair to repair this large, deep dent in the left roof rail. This dent is 2.5 inches wide by 1 3/4 tall. It's extremely deep and it goes across the body line that's in this rail as well. But stay with us and watch this time-lapse video as we use Paintless Dent Repair to reverse the damage in this rail. As you can see, the only process with Paintless Dent Repair that we can use is the glue pull method, in which we are fastening glue tabs to the outer surface and gently pulling on them with a slide hammer or a mini lifter, and then having to go back in and tap down all the highs that's created from the glue pulls. Here's the finished result using Paintless Dent Repair. You can see the high quality repair that we can still do using the glue pull method. We don't need to fill this rail full of mud. We don't need to repaint it. We don't need all the additional disassembly work that would be involved in a traditional, conventional auto body repair method. This repair took 3 hours to complete from start to finish, again without the use of body fillers, without the need to repaint. If you have similar damage like what was shown in this video here, or you have additional damage on your vehicle and would just like a quote, reach out to us at 970-815-4657, or look us up on the web at www.kclcreations.com.